Hello, guys. Welcome back to the Foundation Masterclass Property Preservation for Beginners 5-Day Challenge, and we are on day 2. If you do not know, my name is Lori Robertson, and again, I want to welcome you to this 5-day challenge. Now, yesterday was day 1, and I went a little bit over who I was and how I got started in the industry. So if you, for some reason, are on day 2 and you really don't know who I am or what the purpose of this 5-day challenge is, I would strongly recommend that you go back to day 1, take a look at that video. It's only about 9-10 minutes long, and you will get a basis of who I am, how I got started in the industry, what property preservation is, and what this 5-day challenge is about. Now, we are on day 2. And like I said before, each one of these videos are not going to be that long. They're going to be anywhere from about 2, 5, 10 minutes long. It just depends on the homework assignment. And today, day 2, actually is not that long because it's only a couple of things that I'm going to need for you to do. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to reemphasize to go back to day 1. If you have not done the first day's challenge, I would advise you to go ahead before you finish looking at this video to take care of that first, because you can't go to the next step if you haven't done step 1 or day 1 challenge and done the homework. And I want everyone to send me an email, which you find out every day at the end of the video. I'm advising you to, I'm giving you some homework and I'm advising you to do some steps. So if you have not already emailed me your homework from day 1, please do that now before you continue on with this video. Make sure you have completed the day 1 challenge, and then email me exactly what is required or that I asked for in the day 1 challenge. Okay, now we are on day 2. Day 2 is so short and so simple, but this is what we're going to discuss today. What you need to do is you need to register with the State Corporation Commission in your state. Now, what I would say is every state varies on if this is a requirement or not. So what I need for you to do is I need for you to call your State Corporation Commission and ask them, am I required to do this or not? Because if you're not, then you're good. But if you are, then they will let you know exactly which steps that you need to take in order to register with the State Corporation Commission, exactly how much it costs and what the time frame of it is. Okay, so that's very, very important. So like I said, every state is different, and some of these things that I'm giving you is going to be, state specific. What I should have shared with you in day 1, which I'm sorry, I should have, but now we're on day 2. So if you have not done this or you have some other questions, it's so easy to go to the IRS website, which required in day 1 was for you to get your EIN number. Everybody can go straight there, irs.gov, and or you can type in how to obtain an EIN. And they will exactly, they'll go step by step with you to let you know how to do that. Okay. But like I said, if you have any questions, you can always send me an email that I leave at the end of each challenge day. Now, the second thing I need for you to do is to open a business account. So you have to have had step or day 1 challenge taken care of, which is to figure out what your structure of your business is, and which is to create a name, right? You have to do that first and then get your EIN number, because you're going to need that in order to open up a business account. Okay. Now, you may or may not need your business license. I'm not sure. We're going to cover that in day 3's challenge. But if they ask you for that, then you just hold off. If you need it, hold off until we get to day 3, and then we'll go over what you need to do for your business license. But pick any bank that you are familiar with. It can be the bank that you're already working with. It could be a new bank, but make sure you open up a business account. Make sure you get some checks. Make sure you get checks that you can the best type of checks are where you can keep a running tab of, because you're going to be hopefully, in the near future, writing checks for, your business expenses. If you have any, or you may be writing sometimes manual checks to your contractors, or if and when you get big enough, you may be writing checks to your employees. But that is all that you have to do for day 2. Register with the State Corporation Commission. Remember to call in your state to find out exactly what you need to do. Open up a business account in any bank that you so choose. Make sure you get checks. Make sure you get a debit card or checking card, however it is that your bank has it set up. So it will be easy access for you to charge or buy anything or whatever it is that you need to do for your business. Okay? So that is all for day 2. That's your homework. After you have completed this, send me an email to verify that you have completed today's challenge and let me know if you have any questions. Email me at robertsonpreservation@gmail.com. That's it for day 2. Guys, this challenge is so simple and so easy. If you take these things step by step, trust me, you're going to be set up and ready to go in no time. And I'm so excited because I know once we get through this challenge, you're going to be like, wow, I can't believe that I got my business set up and I'm ready to run in property preservation. So that is all for today. I don't want to hold you. I want you to have a marvelous and spectacular day. Go out, take care of day 1 challenge if you haven't completed it, and take care of day 2 challenge. Make sure that you send me an email for both days letting me know that you are in this challenge to win and that you are and have completed each day so far. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Make it a blessed day.